Welcome back to the slideshow with me, Dr. TWL, board-certified dermatologist. Today, we'll be covering steps 2 and 3 of a standard skincare routine. After makeup removal, we move on to the second cleanse, and this is with a lathering agent. Now, this step is best paired with a natural emulsifier like honey or soy or similar botanical emulsifiers. The process of generating a foam can help to improve the overall cleansing experience. This way, your skin will feel thoroughly cleansed. However, using chemical lathering agents like laureth sulfates can strip the skin of natural moisture and also cause dysregulation of oil production, and this can sometimes lead to the oily dehydrated skin phenomenon. On the contrary, amino acid-based lathering agents together with natural emulsifiers are also gentler on skin. Moving on to step 3, serum application. Serums deliver high concentrations of water-soluble actives such as hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. The reason why an all-in-one skincare cream does not work as well is because the entire process of skincare layering creates a moist skin healing environment, which is not achieved with the traditional cleanse, tone, and moisturize regimen. On this note, here are some important skincare actives to look for. Multi-weighted molecular hyaluronic acid has benefits because it can act on multiple layers of skin and also activate different targets. Stabilized forms of vitamin C include L-ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. L-ascorbic acid is acidic and can cause irritation to sensitive skin. For this reason, I usually recommend vitamin C serum formulations based on the latter ascorbyl phosphate compounds. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate also is effective at lower concentrations. Now, the effects of vitamin C are as follows. First of all, skin brightening. It also provides an antioxidant environment that fights free radical stress caused by environmental damage such as UV and air pollution. It also helps in the treatment of acne as it reduces skin inflammation by inhibiting lipid peroxidation in acne-prone, oily skin.